Man.
All right, Sean, we're going to keep that storm alert at high, courtesy of a severe thunderstorm warning right by that Oro Valley area. Not only that, we're also now seeing a flood advisory till 8 o'clock. There's a lot of lightning with this one, so please just pack whatever you're doing and just stop doing it for a while. Go to that interior section of your room. Stay away from those windows. This is a pretty mean little storm system, and we can, again, do that lightning query. In the last half hour, we are now tracking quite a few lightning strikes, 47, so that could be slightly down a little bit. We'll loop it for you. This storm looks like it's moving off to the northwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So looks like it's about to head into sections of Pinal County. But heads up, Marana, you could be under the gun as well. This is severely warm, meaning some quarter-size hail likely and some 60-mile-an-hour winds. We can also do what's called the hail tracker, see if there's any hail with it. And there you go. We're in the green, so that means anywhere from P to marble. So we're not looking at quarter-size hail likely, so we're happy to report that. Meanwhile, that's the best game in town in Tucson, or the worst game in town, depending on your perspective. I know we need the rain. We don't like it severe. Northeast sections of Pima County seeing a couple of showers. Extreme western portions of Cochise County near Kartchner Cavern seeing some showers. Also down towards Sierra Vista, there's a few lightning strikes. Sierra Vista's had a couple of rounds of showers and thunderstorms roll through the district today. And then we also had that flood advisory for western sections of Pima County, and continuing to rain out there toward Ajo. And that's one place I think we're going to see a lot more rain in the next several days. Here's why. We were talking about it yesterday. A tropical disturbance. It is now Tropical Storm Hilary. Top winds 40 miles per hour. Latest track from the National Hurricane Center in Miami has it becoming a major Category 3 hurricane. Looks like it stays west of Cabo San Lucas, but maybe making landfall somewhere. It's hard to say. By Ensenada, Mexico, possibly as a Category 1 hurricane, and possibly as a post-tropical depression heading into Southern California. A place that hasn't seen that, I think, since 1939 is somewhere that I read. Latest thoughts then on Hilary, okay? Prime time for rain looks to be Saturday through Monday. Heaviest rain should remain off to our west. That's a big should. Why am I saying should? Because we got a few days to worry about this. Any shift of this track to the easterly direction would mean more rain for us. So this is how things shake out right now. Look at these oranges, and these purples, these magentas. That's where we're anticipating the flooding rains and the burn scars of Southern California. As we zoom into southeastern Arizona, we are really on the fine line of just east of Tucson seeing virtually nothing, just to the west of Tucson seeing upwards of 2 to possibly 3 inches of rain. That's why this track, I'm telling you, a difference of 20 to even 50 miles per hour to the east could mean a whole lot more rain for the city of Tucson. Conversely, a deviation of the track of this hurricane just to the west, not a hurricane yet, but it will be, could really mean virtually nothing. So we'll be watching this very closely. Looking outside at the Catalinas, it's 89 at the airport. You got a little thunderstorm earlier on in the day. That certainly cooled things down. 95 Casas Adobes, still showing 98 in Oro Valley. That will not last long with that severe thunderstorm overhead. 79 in Sierra Vista. This is why we love the monsoon. 70s to right around 80 for nighttime lows in the city of Tucson. 60s Cochise and Santa Cruz County. Daytime highs tomorrow, another hot one, 102 to about 107 for eastern Pima County. 90s for Cochise and Santa Cruz County. Your forewarning extended forecast. 40% chance of storms tomorrow, 50% on Friday. We got to closely watch the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. 70 to 60% chance of widely scattered, possibly flooding rains. But again, it all hinges on the ultimate track of what by then will be likely hurricane. And then finally by the weekend, again, tropical storm Hilary, Sean. Again, a deviation just 20 miles to the east could mean a lot more rain. To the west, maybe nothing. We'll watch it.
A lot to watch. All right, time to check with Paul.